This is the tool cart I made, which carries some of my tools. Not all of them, I have other tools. This is just a box or a drawer from an old desk. You can still see the handle of the drawer. So I just placed two posts here, and then two at the back, and then placed a horizontal piece of wood also here, so that I can place this bin over here, which carries my tools. I can put it somewhere else, so it slides there. This one also, I can lift it, put it elsewhere, and then return it here. So at the moment my blacksmithing hammers are here. Assorted hammers I use for blacksmithing. And then I have my welding clamps there, my F clamps, and other tools here. My assorted nylon clamps are here, also here. And then I just used utensil hangers for spoons. They are cheaper instead of buying the hardware version for tools. The hardware version is about 400 pesos. This is about less than 100 pesos. So I just placed the rack here, one here, because this has to be open so that I can place my tools under. Otherwise the entry point will be blocked. So here I did not place any rack so that I can pull this out. Here just two levels, one, and there's one for my cords, etc. So I can, as I've said, pull this and then bring it elsewhere. I just placed ordinary caster wheels there so that I can move it around. For quick carrying of tools in different parts of the house or garden, I just use this pocket tool carrier. So pliers, screwdrivers, hammers, hacksaw, and then if I need an angle grinder, I just put a couple of angle grinders, one for cutting and then one for grinding or for sanding metal. So that's it. This one carries more tools. This one, quick placement of tools on the area you're working on at the moment. So I built another tool carrier, a tall one. There are just two posts, 2x2 pieces of wood, and then there's a platform there, and then there are big wheels under that one. So I can put my long clamps here for woodworking, furniture repair, my long extension cord. The front portion looks something like this, so there's still space here, and I can always rearrange it to hold my other stuff, so this can be moved around. Okay, because it has large wheels.